Hey everyone! Welcome back to SimpleIT, where we simplify IT concepts for you into simple, easy-to-understand bytes. Last time we learned about computers and how they work, but today we're going to learn about Mr. Brain, or the CPU of a computer. So have you ever wondered what's really going on inside your computer when you're browsing the internet, streaming videos, or playing games? Well, one of the key components responsible for making all that happen is the CPU. So, what is a CPU, you ask? It stands for Central Processing Unit, but you can think of it as the brain of your computer. Just like your brain controls your body, the CPU controls everything your computer does. Now you might be thinking, okay, that sounds cool, but how does it actually work? Well, let's imagine you're playing a game. You have your mouse to control your character and press a key to make them jump. When you do that, your input is sent to the CPU, which processes it and tells the game what to do next. But here's where things get interesting. CPUs can do millions, and sometimes billions, of calculations per second. That's like doing 100 math problems in the blink of an eye. So, when you're watching a movie or browsing the web, your CPU is working super hard behind the scenes to make everything run smoothly. And that's basically it. CPUs are amazing pieces of technology to make our digital lives possible. So next time you're using your computer, remember to thank your trusty Mr. Brain for all the hard work it's doing. Thanks for tuning in to SimpleIT, and we'll see you next time.